In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Teams background in Canva with your logo. Let's start by heading over to Canva's website. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is log in. After logging in, look for the button that says Create a Design. It's typically located at the top right of the screen. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select the Custom Size option. For a Microsoft Teams background, you'll want to enter the dimensions of 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is perfect for an HD background. Once you have your blank canvas set up, move over to the left side of the editor and type background into the search bar. You can choose from a variety of options like solid colors, gradients, or even more professional designs. When selecting a background, keep in mind that simplicity is key. You want something striking, but not too distracting, as it sets the stage for your meetings without overwhelming the viewer's eye. Now let's add your logo to the design. If you have a PNG logo file with a transparent background, that's great, as it works best. Upload this logo file by clicking the Uploads tab on the left, then drag and drop, or simply select the file from your computer. Once your logo is uploaded, place it in the corner. Top right or bottom left works well, so that it remains visible yet unobtrusive during your meetings. Adjust the opacity if you'd like a more subtle watermark effect. Next, let's customize your design to better reflect your brand. You can weave in your brand colors for consistency. Don't be afraid to insert shapes, patterns, or even your tagline if you have one. Just remember to keep the center of the background clear. This is where your video feed will show up during calls. Once you're satisfied with how your design looks, it's time to download it. Head to the top right corner of your Canva window and click the Download button. You'll need to decide on a file format. Both PNG and JPG are suitable. After making your selection, save the file to your computer. Now it's time to integrate your fresh new background into Microsoft Teams. Open up Teams and either join or start a meeting. In the meeting window, find the More button, usually represented by 3 dots. From the menu, navigate to Effects and Avatars, then select Video Effects. Here, scroll down until you find the +Add New button. Click it and upload your newly created Canva background. Once uploaded, select it and hit Apply. And there you have it, a branded Microsoft Teams background complete with your logo, ready for all your future meetings. Enjoy making a professional and personalized impression in every virtual meeting you attend.